if you use any of these body lotions, whether you use Medix, Olay, Advanced Clinicals, you will get dark. And yes guys, I'm not kidding, you will get dark. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. And guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys the truth about your popular body brightening lotions. So I'm telling truth about your body brightening lotions that you guys don't know, and I want to tell you guys the hidden truth about them. I've seen a lot of people complain about body lotions like Olay, Medix, Advanced Clinicals, Garnier, even up to the Nivea, making their skin dark. And guys, those guys are not lying, they are actually saying the truth. Those particular body lotions will make you dark, and any other form of brightening body lotions will make you dark if you are someone that bleached your skin. Yes, if you're someone that have used bleaching products before, or you've bleached your skin and you bought these particular body lotions in the sense of trying to maintain your bleached skin tone, sorry to disappoint you, because it's going to make you dark. Yes, so whatever they've been saying about, oh, the body lotion got me dark, it made me dark, they're saying the truth, because it will make you dark. It will. Especially if the lightening body lotions you used previously are bleaching products, or you used all those your lightening lotions, your harmful and bad formulated lightening body lotions, like all those your shapra, all those whitening injections, all those things that you buy because they give you fast action. You use them and then you think that you can eat your cake and have it, and then you buy a brightening body lotion thinking that, oh, let me use this one to maintain my skin tone. Sorry to disappoint you, because those body lotions, those are brightening body lotions, they will get you dark. They will make you dark. Trust me, they will make you dark. It's not like as if these body lotions, the brightening body lotions, are bad. They are not bad. In fact, they are good. They are very good, safe and effective products. The issue here is that you bleached your skin. That is why it is not working for you. That's the issue. The issue is because you bleached your skin, because these products are very good, safe, effective brightening body lotions, and truly they really brighten out the skin. But the issue here is that you bleached your skin, and that is why they are not working for you. Rather, they are making you dark. Now, the reason why your skin got dark is because your skin is trying to repair itself and take itself back to its original skin tone. And that is why these body lotions are good. And also trying to normalize your skin's melanin production, because in the process of you using all those harmful lightening products, your melanin production was suppressed. Yeah, suppressed in a bad way. Your skin is trying to normalize the melanin production, so that is why your skin is getting dark. And also your skin barrier is trying to repair itself. That is why your skin is getting dark. So these are the three reasons why your skin is actually getting dark when you use any of these brightening body lotions after you used harmful lightening skincare products on your skin. Now the thing is that brightening body lotions are formulated to help to glow up your skin and brighten out your original skin tone. Like your real skin tone is going to help to brighten out your skin and make it look good, make it look better, give it this glowing look, this plump looking look, like it look like this. Yeah, that's what it's going to do for you. It's not going to take you to 2 shades or 1 shade or 3 shades or try to maintain your bleached skin. No, it's not going to do that for you. What it is going to do for you is that it is going to help to safely brighten up your skin, glow up your skin, and it's going to help to maintain your skin's tone, your skin's original tone. It's going to help to also reduce inflammation on your skin. It's going to help to improve your skin's natural tone. It's also going to help to support healthy melanin function of your skin, and also even out your skin tone. So maybe you're someone that suffers from hyperpigmentation, and maybe you've tried to get rid of hyperpigmentation. It's going to help to maintain that your even tone. Okay, it's going to help to also prevent your skin from suffering from any further hyperpigmentation. Okay, that is what skin brightening body lotions will do for you. That is what brightening body lotions will do for you. So brightening body lotions are not lotions that will take your skin to 2 shades, 3 shades higher. If you know you want that, then that is where your Oshapra body lotions come in. Yeah, that's where they come in. Now, some brightening skincare ingredients are ingredients like niacinamide, vitamin C, licorice extract, glutathione, but in a very mild concentration. Yes, very mild. These are some brightening skin ingredients. So if you see any of these things in body lotions, maybe your Olay, your Nivea, your Medix, your Garnier, whatever body lotion you want to use as brightening, just know that it is a brightening body lotion and it's not going to bleach your skin. Okay, now some examples of some brightening body lotions that I really love is this. Like, this one is one very good one. I hope you guys can see it. This one is the Nivea Radiance and Beauty Even Tone Even Glow with 95% pure vitamin C. It's a very, very good body lotion. Like, this is one I currently use on my skin now, and I've been loving it. It's gonna help to brighten up your skin. Like, your skin is going to be brightened, your skin is going to feel so good. Like, you're going to see that glow, okay, of your skin. Another one again that I really love a lot is this one from Vaseline, and this is the Vaseline Even Tone Body Lotion. This one contains niacinamide and also contains SPF. The Nivea also contains SPF, by the way. Okay, now this one contains SPF and it contains niacinamide in it, so just know that it's going to brighten up your skin. It is a very good one. In fact, it was one I used before getting the Nivea. The reason why I changed this one because I'm using this one too much. I decided to just try out a new one. That was why I decided to go for the Nivea. So it's not like I see if this one was bad or anything. This one is actually very good and I'll recommend it any day, anytime. Okay, now another very good one is your Olay Vitamin C Body Lotion, and we also have the Olay Niacinamide Body Lotion. Then we also have the one from Garnier, and that's the Garnier Vitamin C, the Garnier Vitamin C or Lemon Extract Body Lotion. That one is also a very good one. Then we also have the Medix 5.5 Vitamin C Body Lotion. This one is very popular out there. This one and the Olay, they are very popular. They are very good brightening body lotions. And we also have the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Body Lotion. This body lotion is also a very, very good and effective body lotion, so you can actually use it. So these are some of the examples of brightening body lotion. So if you bought, or rather if you're planning to buy any of these body lotions, okay, on the screen, and you've bleached your skin in the past and you're looking for a body lotion that's going to help to maintain your bleached skin, sorry to disappoint you, these body lotions will not do that for you. They will not do that for you. So just forget about it. Okay, just forget about it. But rather, just know that you're ready to get your skin back to its original skin tone. Yeah. Now the thing about bleaching your skin is that once you bleach your skin and you want to stop bleaching your skin, you want to use any of these body lotions, they're going to help to take your skin back to its original skin tone. And it's not a bad thing. It is actually not a bad thing. It's actually a very good thing, because you are taking your skin back to its original skin tone and you're trying to make your skin become healthier than how it used to be. Okay, so the thing is that these body lotions will help to actually repair your skin. So if you're actually using it and your skin is getting dark, keep using it. I will not tell you to stop using it. Please keep using it. Let your skin get repaired. Let the damaged skin go away and let your skin get back to its normal skin tone. And I tell you, with time, you're going to see the way your skin is going to start looking. Your skin is going to start looking really good, especially if you pair this particular or any of these brightening body lotions with a very, very good body soap or body wash, and you're using a very good scrub. Guys, trust me, your skin, you will love your skin. In fact, you won't prefer how your skin is looking, how your skin is going to look, so how your skin was looking in the past. Trust me, you're going to prefer it. But the after effect or the side effect of bleaching your skin and trying to correct or trying to repair your bleached skin is that your skin will get dark. That is the truth. Your skin would definitely aggressively get dark. I'm not kidding. Okay, but with time, give yourself 2 months, 3 months, you're going to start seeing how your skin is going to start looking good. Trust me. I will not come here and say that skin lightening is not a good thing, that is a bad thing. No, I will not say that. Okay, skin lightening has its own good sides, okay, because so many people actually need to actually get skin lightening products. Yeah, some people actually do need it because of the kind of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and uneven skin tone that they have. Yeah, there are people that suffer from melasma, hyperpigmentation. Guys, you need to actually get skin lightening products. If you want that your dark spot hyperpigmentation to leave your skin, you need to get skin lightening products. And I'm not saying that you should get all those harmful ones like this by the one that says lighten in 7 days or lighten in 5 days or lighten in 2 days. No, I'm talking about really good and effective lightening skincare products, okay, with some specific ingredients. There's some specific ingredients that you should look out for when getting skin lightening products. Ingredients like your kojic acid, like your alpha arbutin, like your tranexamic acid, like your glutathione, like your licorice extract, and hydroquinone. But guys, hydroquinone under supervision. Please, I will not allow you to use hydroquinone without you being supervised or without it being prescribed to you by a skin professional or a dermatologist that would actually monitor your usage. Because when it comes to hydroquinone, you're meant to use hydroquinone for a long period of time. Yes, you meant to use hydroquinone for at least maybe for a month, 3 months, then you need to stop. Like once you start seeing the effectiveness of the change, you need to stop. And there is a way in which you're meant to use the hydroquinone. So I will not come and tell you to buy a product that has hydroquinone out there. No, I will not do that on my channel. Only if maybe, for example, a skincare professional or a dermatologist actually recommends it for you, then it is fine. You can use it. But as they're recommending it for you, they will also tell you how to make use of it. They will not just recommend it for you like that or prescribe it like that for you. They're going to actually tell you how to actually make good use of it. Okay, but when it comes to the other lightning ones, you guys can actually get it. Okay, you guys can actually get products that contain it, but get good products that contain it. And if you guys want me to make videos for you on good lightning body lotions, let me know that under the comment section and I will make it for you. Or instead, I think I might just make it as my next video. So if you guys actually want to know good lightning body lotions, guys, watch out for my next video because I'm going to be making it for you guys. Okay, I'm going to be listing out very good and effective lightning body lotions. Okay, now when you want to use this lightning body lotions, or rather any lightning body product that you got for your skin, maybe for your hyperpigmentation or for your dark spots or for your melasma, you're meant to use it for a particular period of time. When those things have left your skin, then you can now progress by using brightening lotion that will help to maintain your skin. Yes, and do not expect to start seeing changes on your skin, in your skin immediately, or in 2 days, or in 5 days, or in a week, or in 2 weeks. No, these things are not bleaching products. Only bleaching products and harmful products will do that for you, but good and safe products will not do that for you. You're going to start seeing changes maybe from 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, you have to start seeing, if you're going to start seeing changes from, like, let's say a month, 2 months, 3 months, you need to be very patient. In fact, when you even use a bottle, you might not even see a change in one bottle. Yeah, after using one bottle, you might not even see any visible change until you use another one. Then you start seeing visible changes. These products are very good. That is why they take their time, okay, to actually work for you. And when they work for you, you would love your skin when it works for you. You would actually love your skin at the end of the day. So guys, skincare is all about patience and you doing the right thing for your skin. Do not expect overnight magic when it comes to skincare. Okay, only when you want to use, only if you're using harmful skincare products, that's the only time you will start seeing changes on your skin that look like magic. Trust me. So all those whitening your skin in 2 days, in 3 days, in 7 days, guys, run away from those kind of products because it's do more harm than good to your skin. Okay, I hope you guys actually enjoyed my video and you actually understood everything I've been saying. Let me know in the comment section what you thought about this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, guys, subscribe to my channel. Or do you want to miss out on the good lightning body lotions I want to recommend? So if you don't want to miss out on it, subscribe to my channel, okay? Like my video, share, and also leave your comments. And to my existing subscribers, you guys are the best, okay? Thank you guys for sticking around with me, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, bye.